So here's what we do. We just get to inspirac.com and here's the planner. At the bottom of the page you have already built plans. If you haven't been here before, it will be empty. So in the destination you should just type in the name of the country you are searching. In this example it will be Canada. No other cities, sites or anything like that should be added, just name of the country. You should build two routes, 1 week route and 2 week route. Start with 1 week route, it's easy, and then you'll get some experience, and then you can research a 2 week route. You can choose any dates you want. For example, here it will be from 6th to 12th October. And default settings shouldn't be changed. Anything shouldn't be changed in the route. The default settings are as follows: 2 adults in the trip, and popular sites with medium pace. It means that if you have a hidden gem, while a more popular site is outside the route, it's a mistake, because given the preference we should list popular sites first. And the pace is self-explanatory. If you think that one day the suggestion is very packed or very unpacked, slow pace, you should also note and write this down as a mistake. So enough for options, we just create the plan. Time goes for a while, and here we got the plan. You see that it starts and ends with a flight. I'm not in London actually, I use VPN. So if you analyze the country you are currently in, you should better turn on VPN for correct comparison, for you to also have a plan. But if you haven't done it before, then let it by default. Here's the default presentation of the route with all the destinations, and what we should do and can do. If we click day by day, then we can see the pictures, and clicking at every attraction we'll see its location of the map. So we should check every location and every picture if they are correct. And the more actual presentation is calendar. So here we have timeline, and if you click on calendar, you see all the things, how long it's suggested to visit every attraction, in which sequence. You have time scale on the left, so you can just get from it that for Montreal Botanical Garden in 3 hours suggested, CN Tower 1.5 hours.